On this James the Bike Guy, we're taking a look at the Sram NX shifter. We're taking a look at what this NX Eagle shifter looks like, the features that it has, and then of course, we're gonna find out what it weighs. Inside of the package here comes with the shifter and the shift cable. And then it's also gonna come with your supplied bar clamp. This is pretty neat because the Sram NX shifter is very similar to the GX style of shifter, where it's got a thumb paddle to go to an easier gear and a trigger paddle to be able to go to a harder gear. Now, one of the neat features of this over the GX or the other models is you can actually install the shift cable without having to take the top of the shift lever off. So that's a nice thing. It makes a much easier install to be able to put the shift cable in and out of it. Now, this being a Eagle technology means that it's 12 speed. It's going to have the proper pull ratio for that, and it's going to be able to be clamped onto the handlebar using their Matchmaker X clamp. This clamp allows you to have two different positions to install the clamp, and that's going to allow you to space the shifter left and right as expected. So now that we've taken a look at some of the features, let's go ahead and place it onto our scale and we'll see what it weighs in at. So the Sram NX Eagle shifter with a shift cable comes in at 113 grams. And if you add in the Matchmaker clamp and bolt, it comes in at 124 grams. Well, thanks for watching this video on the Sram NX Eagle shifter. Go ahead and let me know down in the comments below what you think about this NX shifter. And then as always, click the subscribe button so you can see more videos like this into the future.